Hello guys, it's Jed from PowerFlow Swindon and JTS. So we are on the way to Carite, the track takeover. So we've got a trade stand. We're just convoying up at the minute to set up the stalls. So we've got 2 gazebos, we've got 3 cars, we've got an E46, an S3 and an old V8 Mercedes. We're going to be showing off on stands and mirrors. So we'll show you the process now. We're about to set up. It is a lovely, lovely weekend for it. As you can see, we've got the T5 in front of the X5. So we're fully loaded. We've got some goodies. It's all in the back of the van. So yeah, let's set up. Tomorrow's the day. Get it all kind of prepped and ready. Entries kind of from 10 AM tomorrow. So we're going to start setting up now. It's a little bit hot. I'm in my jeans as well. But yeah, excited. Let's go, guys. Yes, be careful with them. We're starting the footage. Oh God. They're probably going to blow over, so just stick them inside. Oi oi. Look at this big strong man.
We just sit outside. Come get your PowerFlow exhaust.
That's it.
Get your PowerFlow exhaust.
Come on, Josh. You've all got your PowerFlow t-shirts as well?
Mine's at the garage.
At the garage, yeah.
I ain't got one.
Plant City. So that's going in the middle then. And what we're going to do. Where's that car going on this side?
What, mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be at an angle though, so it's going to be parked like that.
So that little
I'm saying put.
you know that little stand, like with the machine. Is that going to go there?
Yeah, it's going to go there.
Cool. What a day. What a time to be alive. So we're just setting up for tomorrow. I reckon we'll probably fill the van again. One more load. Because we like to go overkill. They're going to blow over, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. And maybe leave them up for now, for show. And then...
Oh yeah, it locks the...
Yes. Yes, that looks perfect.
Zip time on that.
We've got the approval from Carite.
Come on,
it looks
fucking mint.
Mint. So we're told.
Banging!
Thanks, boys.
Boy.
My baby's done such a good job on his bag. Looking absolutely banging. The tent looks banging.
Hopefully Jamie is not too hungover and the Mercedes gets it. Because he's going to be so hungover. But yeah, it looks good though, doesn't it?
I'm going to go fucking get a cold pipe.
Cars in there easy, wouldn't it?
Bring the ass in this way a little bit, because that's a bit of a divot there. So you can put the mirrors underneath and
Yeah, so if we back it up on this bit and then the mirrors underneath.
Move it over that way.
It's like your own ramp then, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Do you want me to move my van or not?
No, it should be sound.
Sure?
Do you want to move it? I'll put it in place.
Yeah.
Move it over a little divot there and then back to the ramp.
This looks good, Josh, this mirror.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks mint. Very nice.
Okay, the usual
Much better with the film off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, nice.
Wicked cosy.
Is that alright?
Yes.
I tried to put them all.
Is that all of them, is it?
Yeah, I tried to put all the colours. And there's 6 of them, so there's because on the bottom people can just can't bend down, then you can just see them there. Yes, bruv. And then there's
Oh, nice dirty fridge.
Come on.
All the handprints. Oh no. That keeps them cool. I've got some waters. I'm gonna get my power bank out as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, them tips are good. Is that all of them, is it?
Yeah.
1,300 quid for that. Is that it?
I tried to put the big ones all together, different ones, and then the
a lot
black
of
ones
money, isn't
together. And the little ones down the bottom.
Dave, do you want to stock my fridge? Look at the mess in here.
You know what, you might as well nick the whole vending machine and stick it in the back.
I was going to bring the vending machine to you there.
Forget.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, we need 3 of those. On. Oh, he's bugging it now. Go on, go on. Go on, a little bit more, a little bit more. Go, go, go. Stop. And brake on. Oh, yeah. The only problem is,
Look at
we're going
the
to put the sides on
exhaust.
them,
Not anymore.
Look at the exhaust. Wow.
Something there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. Yes, bruv. Wow. Wow. Exhaust.
Electronic exhaust.
Yes.
Guys, let's take a view on that.
Brilliant.
This is one of the first systems we fitted.
Wow.
Oh, 4 exhaust. That still looks clean, year and a half later. Cleaning again.
Yeah.
Sid man.
Sid indeed.
Sid.
Oh, you see these are
Huh? Oh, nice.
Indeed.
I can do that. Middle parting. What's going on?
Yes, cuz.
The mirrors are getting dirty. So we've been pretty busy so far. And we taking some good bookings. Yeah, 6 bookings. 6 bookings.
Sold any tips yet?
Sold 1 set of tips, but I got to give him a price though. There's a car over there I've got to get and look at. He wanted me to do a consultation on that.
What, here?
Yeah. He's like, come over and I'll stick my head underneath.
I can get for a leaf blower, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good idea.
But yeah, it's been that busy. I've not even walked round yet. Have you been round?
Yeah, I went all the way down there. There's some pretty cool shit over there, to be fair. There's
Might take a wander.
Ford Capri, old one. It's got a fucking Corvette LS in it.
Yeah.
Mate, it's fucking
I might take a wander. I haven't even seen anything yet.
yeah, mate, it's pretty cool.
Apparently there's a Lamborghini over there as well.
Yeah, there's 2.
Is there?
Yeah, there's 2.
Clean your mirror off.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Baby club.
Hello.
I've got no toys for you lot.
Exhaust tips.
Been told there's some Lambos down there.
Get rid of yeah. Do that.
Should've got mine towed there, innit?
Start it up. Nah, can't do that. Don't breathe. That's it.
See, this is like quite a relaxed car meet. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's no pressure, is there?
That is nice.
Alex.
That's what
Serious cars there, aren't there?
That's proper.
A bit of you, is it?
None of this new shit.
God, blimey. There's a lot here, to be fair. So just found the manager's car, absolute motor. This spoiler's jokes, isn't it?
Racing one, isn't it?
I bet you'd be well upset if I ripped that off.
Yeah, I bought a car like it.
Bit like your lunchbox, isn't it?
Yeah, limited edition, man.
God, what a motor. We need to go find Zach's car. Is this just parking then?
Pretty much, but it's all nice cars.
See if
Got the button.
See if I can do launch.
Give me the button. Well, that's off. Shame you can't see the valves in the mirror. Alright, that's enough. Stain the mirrors. So just packed up, just driving back to the workshop, drop everything off. What a day that was. We've done really well actually. I went there purely on the basis of just getting the word out there, have a day out with all the lads, you know, enjoy the sunshine, kind of network, build business. I didn't expect to kind of take bookings and stuff like that, but it was actually really successful in the end. We took about 14 bookings, sold a few products, gave out some merch, lots of good vibes, good weather, good people, a lot of familiar faces. So yeah, like, overall it was a success. So yeah, we'll be looking to do some more events like this in the future. Hopefully Carite hopefully they do another one next year, because it was a really big turnout. I think there's about 1,000 people there, give or take. Like I said, everyone was just good vibes. It's all car related stuff, so everyone there, all businesses in Swindon, kind of everyone knew of each other. Lots of good words to say, a lot of business ideas floating around. People help each other out, so it's really like a good thing for the surrounding area, supporting businesses around the community, etc. So yeah, dropping the stuff off, going back, getting the gazebos, dropping them off, packing it all back up, putting it back in the office, and then I will be uploading some content. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't actually capture as much as I wanted to because I was actually busy making sales. There's a lot more sales than I thought, and a lot of like people interested in the systems we supply. If you're interested as well from this video and you're not from the area, give us a message. Obviously on YouTube, we're on social media, PowerFlow Swindon, JTS Auto and JM Performance. Yeah, hopefully see you on the next one. Take care guys, catch you later.